We broke an axle today, and we broke, what was it? 2 servo horns and a servo. Dude, it was massacres today out here. It was good. Welcome back, everyone. In today's episode, we're at J. Cook State Park, Thompson Dam. We've met up with some friends and met some new friends for a long day out. It was raining out. Everything was covered in like soapy wetness. It was almost impossible to walk, let alone drive across. It was a super tough day out. We had people break servo horns. We had people sharing servo and parts with each other to keep going. It was just awesome to see. It was a great community, and everyone had great attitudes about everything. We kept going. It was so much fun. And I just want to say, if you don't want to miss out on any of the events and comps and stuff like that, please subscribe, as we're a small channel. We might not pop up in your feed. And thank you for all the things that everyone does. Like, I don't know, the comments, the shares. There's so much stuff that probably people do that I don't know about. Thank you for the opportunity. I'm done wasting your time. Let's get into this show. Remember, you practiced getting behind your rig.
Yeah, it's so slippery.
Can you back up a little bit and aim? Yeah, you're all right on the edge. Oh, nice. Super slippery today. It's basically all these rocks are just covered in soap. Work your way down. Yep, work your way down. Nice. When you're going downhill, just keep your wheels pointed downhill and commit. Nice. Oh, it was good. Oh, no.
Oh, did it snap something?
Yeah, you did actually.
Oh.
Oh, the wheel hit right there. Oh, no. That was your servo horn.
Oh. Well.
Hang on.
Up there.
Might be asking a lot. Holy smokes. You make it up that's gonna be. Oh my gosh.
This truck.
That's insane. That was insane.
It climbs crazy.
I'm gonna, yeah.
So easy.
Squeaky sound was bothering me.
That was a really nice line.
Honestly, that line that you just did should be in the comp. Like, that is insane.
Oh, it's before the Capra you're talking about.
Yeah, the extra wide vehicles for sure show off that like X mark like that. You get that V twist, so nice. Good save. There you go, yep. Don't get too overzealous with it, yeah. There you go, yep, something like that. There it is,
Nice.
Wow. That is such a fun line.
Good line.
Wow.
That was very helpful.
Look at that.
Oh, I don't know. Oh, actually.
Oh, yeah! So slippery today. There's the bump. Love it. There it is. Just like a real Chevy pulling half the hayfield behind you. Yeah, I love it. You definitely had a little buck tooth there on the end. I see what you mean about them. It's not that they're bad, they're just flexy.
Yeah.
So they don't do the job of like
allowing you to push off of them.
Yeah.
They bend a little too much for you to like rely on them, I guess is the word. I don't know.
Oh yeah.
Bumpers are supposed to bump.
It is fun.
Oh, look at that thing side crawl. That was cool.
I'm asking so in case we get farther away.
It's fine. I can pull you up. It's
Very
so
cool.
fun.
I got the bungee, man.
Maybe this is the one we can put a real one on.
Yeah, I was thinking I've got
I turned it left a little bit. Don't.
I've already made.
Yeah, just keep going. Oh, yeah. There you go.
Super fun. Double D. You want to know a secret? I lean into it and grab a tree. That's smarter. The fusion.
Best part about being out here in the fall, the Minnesota State bird, the mosquito, not so bad.
Crab thing is so fun.
Oh! I want to make them. Oh, wait.
I think I've fallen behind Cam today like 8 times. Let's see how many of them show up. Oh, you got it, babe. You got it. Come on. Wilkie. There you go. Straight into trouble. Back up to your right. There you go. There you go. There's a little knot right there. Another taker. As the first knot jump up pushes him off to the left a bit. There, oh, he skips it.
There we
Good
go.
skip.
Look at that!
Comes into the knot. He does find a problem with his front link. There we go.
That was nice.
Very
It
good.
just bounced right up and over. You did that sweet.
There we go. I'm gonna take that left knot. That stump will push it to the
Nice,
left
fella.
every time there a bit. Yeah, that was a nice line. I'll take it back.
Nice.
Oh, you got it. There's a knock right here, as you might not see. Sorry about my hand, everybody. There we go.
Oh, come on.
From your guys' angle, I was just trying to say you probably might not see
Oh,
it.
that was beautiful again. And then, there we go.
That was very good.
That is so fun with this Capra.
There we go. Here comes Squeaks McGee. Yeah. Oh, that was probably that was an instant turnaround too. That was good. Oh.
Ready? Wait.
I think with just full power and wheel wiggle, you would have. Yeah. Oh, you're on your center diff. Yeah. Yep. There you go. I'm gonna be right in everybody's way. I'm so sorry. Oh, you're slipping off, babe. You're gonna have to get higher up on that.
Oh, I thought I keep on thinking I'm driving the Deadpool.
What are you doing?
Until today.
Just back up, let someone else grab it, I guess. try a line here. Oh, there he goes. He just gets it up. A little wide enough. There we go. They're wide enough. They got a parking lot up here happening.
Oh.
I don't know where you're going down. Yeah.
Hang on a sec. 2 seconds. I'll get out of your way. Oh, you're
One
just gonna
truck
go
is
down?
going down.
Ow.
There we go. Another truck going around. Oh, there's too much cool stuff to show y'all. Nope. What a line on this wet
That was
rock.
sweet. That was so cool.
There's the deadbolt.
Just go nice and slow. Just have it
Oh,
slide
he
down.
lets that front end do the work. Very good. Yeah. Haley trying out the second one back here. She gets it. Just got to commit, babe.
Sorry.
There you
No, that was
go.
my
Nice.
I'm not
On my
getting.
nose, and then I hit the gas, and I
Whoa. Oh. Whoa. Monique, you're a master. That was insane. Those dips right there. Very good. Very cool right here at the crab walk. Oh my gosh, the way that just moves through stuff is so cool
The
looking.
lines on the Capra.
That's so cool.
Totally knows how to do
There we
that.
go, yeah.
that
There,
was beautiful.
nice work, guys. Oh my gosh. I gotta say one thing about the wet rock today though, is the green moss really just popping up. Like it looks really pretty.
And for the deadbolt, it's just a driving ball of moss.
Nice. We're going to the dips.
Crab caught and stuff is actually way
there you
easier. Oh!
This is wicked right here, actually, wow. Oh, babe!
Where am I going, Sully?
Back up.
I can't see anymore.
Now to your right, point wheels downhill.
Oh, I can't see the car even. But there I can. That angles.
Yep, get out of it. There you go. Use that to pull your leg up. Yeah. There you go. Capra using a rear turn. Oh, no grip on the top though. Might have to readjust and save it at the end. Oh, now you got one. Oh, wheel speed it. There you go. Grip that top leg. Oh, it's gonna go wide. Okay.
Me neither.
I don't even know how to do that.
Determination.
Oh, it's so slick.
This
so
one's,
slick.
but this guy's, the deadbolt's a great climber, but it's
Well,
little top heavy.
yeah, it's not as wide by
It's
all
just a
means.
little top heavy.
Oh, and you can order yourself some thick solder from Amazon.
Yeah.
Wrap about 100 rams around each wheel inside.
Nice.
Put it back together.
Nice.
Either that or just
Nice.
get some wheels from Creel.
Yeah. Metal wheels.
The end result.
Yeah.
They're on their way right now.
This is the hardest part right here. A lot of loose travel. Come on. Come on. Yeah. There it is. Straight to the top. Oh my goodness.
When you go back to get your car, you should
But it's speed control so I just nice job. That's what I was talking about, not having the springs up front. That's where it's hurting us right now. The front end's just not dropping. Especially because there's no wheel weight to pull it down, you know? So I need the springs to push it down, otherwise there's nothing to make the wheels in the front want to touch the ground. Oh! There it is. Very cool.
Got some wet, muddy tires. There it goes. Just gotta find the line. At this point, it's almost like I'm driving. Wow. I don't know what's wrong with me. It's almost like I'm driving on a level surface right there, though. You know what I mean?
once you drop the tire down.
Yeah, like, yeah, there's like double slates, but see, now I push myself off, so I'm just side hilling.
Right here looks like
Oh, yeah, it's all a challenge for me. I do not claim any professional knowledge. I don't even stand behind my truck for crying out loud. This is fun. Now we're crawling.
Me too.
Is there a hole there?
to film the crawler, you must become the crawler.
Yes. Oh, that's cool.
My coworker that I got that at a Losi from, he actually has a real four-wheel steer, like Mach 20, which basically this does.
Yeah.
And that thing is absolutely insane. It runs 44, and they just look like shit.
Well, yeah, like a little tire.
And he's got portals all the way around, the front axles. So he's got that front rear steer and everything. It's cool.
Yeah.
He basically doesn't use it anymore, though. He built it when he was like 30. Now he has kids.
I gotta say, now that it's dry, like dry here, at least I have grip, I kind of like it with no springs on front because it's actually crawlable now.
Yeah.
The thing is, like, I need springs when I'm going fast, obviously.
Right.
But when I'm crawling, I really don't need, I don't know. It does the things that I was hoping it would do, which is keep the front end down and allow it to stretch when it needs to.
Yeah. Yeah, I run no springs on this and I really like it, but obviously it's a 24, so...
Yeah, it's the physics
kind of
are
a
just
different
different.
ball game.
Yeah. It's funny how, like, things, even though there's scale, it's like, well, gravity is still a thing, and,
Right.
and it's tiny, so.
Well, a lot of it too is how fast is this little thing really going.
All right.
Pretty close to a 45-degree angle coming up there. Got it.
Yeah, this is, I don't know. I'm sure if you held the camera as steep as the rock is, it would really show up. Yeah. Oh, there's nowhere to go over here, so.
Is there not? Oh, I just tripped over my own feet. Oh gosh, this is the great place to do it.
And if I can make it up this, I'll be quite happy for today with how wet everything is. Come on. A little bit more wheel speed, I guess. Oh, no. And the front end's up. I'm just gonna go back a hair. Yes!
Thank you for watching. I hope you had a relaxing time. Have good days, have good nights, and happy trucking.